Open my eyes, Lord, today. Guide my heart along your way. Help me see your love anew in the little things you do. Teach me to notice the grace in every day, the quiet fragrance of your presence along my ordinary way.